Hey guys, it's Dimitri. We're going to give a few examples of an elevator pitch to follow up with the last video. Again, an elevator pitch is supposed to be short and sweet. It's typically done in an introduction at a networking event or an interview, like tell me about yourself, walk me through your resume. It's still kind of the same question, same answer. The key is to keep it short. You'll notice I have three examples. They all have the same story, but you can tell they're not rehearsed. They have some weird pauses maybe, but it comes off hopefully as natural, and that's kind of the goal. So here are my three examples. Hopefully these can help. I've worked at company XYZ doing PPNR model implementation, model development, and macroeconomic data management for the past year. I was originally hired to do PPNR model implementation, which includes running all of the code, creating documentation, and presenting the results to management. Our development team was a little low on employees, and so I ended up helping develop 4 PPNR models for last year. This includes building the models from the ground up. This is data analysis, statistical inference, and actually developing and processing these models and getting them approved by the model development manager. And I've also took on another project where I managed all the macroeconomic data. We use Moody's, and once the data comes in, we process it using SAS to clean it so that it can be used by developers. And I also developed a quality control program which will quality control the data and generate reports for validation and the economics department. I've been working at Bank XYZ for over a year now. I've been hired to do implementation where I built processes and procedures and organized the basic outline for what implementation is at the entire bank. I also have been doing model development in PPNR because our team is too small and they lack enough people for the PPNR development team. And then the third thing I've been doing at company XYZ is data management, and I actually manage all of the macroeconomic data for the entire bank. This includes cleaning, processing, and formatting data for the developers. I've been working at Bank XYZ for over a year now. I was originally hired to do PPNR model implementation. Our implementation team actually runs the models, conducts stress testing throughout the year, and presents PowerPoints and documentation to management. Our team also had issues with model development. We are a little low on the number of developers, so I actually developed 4 models for the PPNR team as well. And I've actually managed all of the macroeconomic data for the entire bank. This has included automating a system that actually downloads the data, processes it, cleans it, and quality controls the data. All right, now that you've seen my 3 examples, you'll notice they were all very short. The reason I like to keep mine short is it gives it kind of an overview of what I've done, and then it allows the other person, whether it's at a networking event, whether it's an interview, it allows them to kind of dive into the sections that they have questions about. So maybe they really care about data management, so they're going to ask all about that, and they probably won't care about my implementation or my development background. Again, they might pick another section, they might have model questions. But again, I like to keep it short, keep it sweet. I don't want to bore them. If they're not interested, like in a networking event, they'll just give me a quick background and maybe move on. They're not wasting your time, you're not wasting theirs. But it all works out pretty well. Those are my 3 pitches of examples. Let me know what you think.